In this video, I want to share with you 6 low competition evergreen niches for merch by Amazon. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on merch by Amazon and Etsy. If you like this kind of content and you get any value out of this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. So before I get into those low competition evergreen niches, I just want to do a quick sales update. So yesterday I had a really good day. Did 63 sales and did $82 in royalties. And today I have 31 sales and $31 in royalties, and it's currently 5:23 p.m. in the afternoon or early evening. That's going to put me at $773 for the month of January, which is great for me. If you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both Merch by Amazon and Etsy, links in the description. I also post gym pics, entrepreneur pics, family pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 18 years. Okay, now let's go ahead and get into the content of the video. So these are going to be 6 low competition evergreen niches for Merch by Amazon. And, you know, these BSRs aren't going to blow you away. These are, you know, evergreen niches, so they're not going to get you a whole bunch of sales in one month, but they will, or they could get you some, you know, extra sales for each month to help you increase your bottom line on your royalty. So the first one that I have for you is angel numbers, and actually I found the majority of these niches on TikTok. That's one of the way that I find niches, is just scrolling through my feed, and just whatever the video is about, I'll just pop it into this website right here, Merch Informer, and I will just hit search. I will see what the competition is, and I will see if it is selling, if it has BSRs. And if the competition is low and it's selling, then I think it is a good niche, and I will upload to it, or I will make a video about it. So this one right here is angel numbers, and this has to do with like spirituality, numerology. It has to do with numerology. So if I just go right here to Google, because I actually did a Google search. So what are angel numbers? Angel numbers are repeating number sequences, often used as a guide for deeper spiritual exploration. And the reason why I found this niche is because I was actually just looking up for like my horoscope for 2024 when it was like December, and I started getting to like numerology, like life path numbers, all that stuff. And so I just saw angel numbers, and I popped it into Amazon right here. We're gonna see there's only 116 results, and here what some of the designs look like. This is kind of what angel numbers are. So it's like 111, 222, and each angel number has some type of descriptive word like protection, change, reflection, support, alignment. And you can just see how easy these designs can be. So it's just basically 3 numbers, 999, 333, 444, and then like maybe like some angel wings around it. We're going to see that these are selling. Like this one right here has 348,000 BSR in the climate pledge friendly category. Here's another one, just 111. Look how easy that is. Here's one with the 222 and the angel wings. If we go to the third page, we're going to see that there's it bumps up in the competition. It goes from 117, I think it was, or 116 to 326, but still low in competition. Competition is low on Etsy. So right here, angel number t-shirts, 1,400. The competition really bumps up on Redbubble. So I don't know if this would be really that good an option on Redbubble, because there's 9,000 results for angel numbers. Again, we could see what some of the designs look like. It's pretty much all stickers. Actually, I don't even see a t-shirt yet. This is what the competition looks like on TeePublic. If you go to Create a Fabrica and you type in angel numbers, here are some designs, but these ones actually don't come with the print-on-demand special license. Like if I click on the filter here, we will see that all those designs will go away, and they actually look pretty good. This one could work though right here. I think that's a good one. But if you want to design for it, you can just go to Create a Fabrica and just type in like angel wings. You get some stuff like this. Let me just double check. Yes, it does come with the print-on-demand special license, and you could put some numbers, 999, 555, 666, like above or below. And I even went ahead and tried some designs on ideogram, because I've been using this lately. So the prompt that I used was spiritual angel wings with text saying 999, and I think this one actually looks pretty good. The other one's the 9 is kind of weird, but I think it can still work. If you like the actual design but you don't like the text, you can still download it and just pop it into Photoshop, delete the numbers, and just type in your own numbers. But I think this one right here could work pretty well. So that is the first niche that I have for you. That is evergreen, low in competition, and it is this one right here, and it is angel numbers. And then the second low competition niche that I have for you is intermittent fasting. And the reason this popped up on my TikTok feed is because I've actually been doing intermittent fasting since the beginning of the year. So I'm like 15 or actually 17 days in, and I've been losing a little weight doing it. But for this keyword, intermittent fasting, we're going to see that there's only 327 results. And when we go to the third page, we're going to see there's only 327 results. And there's actually some really good like kind of sub niches in this niche. So like this first one right here is OMAD Warrior. So OMAD is for 1 meal a day. That's what it stands for. It's like kind of just another way to fast instead of doing like 2 meals like I'm doing. It's just 1 meal a day. Autophagy is my superpower. So autophagy is something that happens in your body when you're fasting. I'm sorry for what I said while fasting. That was pretty funny. We're going to see these are selling. And this one right here, fasting mode on, also has 609 BSR in the climate pledge friendly category. Intermittent fasting changed my life. OMAD Beast. Let's see what else. Autophagy. So there's a duplicate for autophagy, so that could be a good one. If we go to Etsy, we're going to see there actually wasn't that much competition. The majority of the results are like these like trackers, basically digital download products, like right here, Keep Calm and Fast On. I think there was another one where I saw about autophagy. Yes, right here. For Redbubble, there's 876 results. And if we go to TeePublic, I thought this was a good one, or at least a good phrase, just a girl who loves intermittent fasting. You probably come up with a better design. Creative Fabric, I wasn't really able to find anything for intermittent fasting. I just was able to find like basically like digital download products for like Etsy, basically trackers, planners, things like that. But I did find this kind of green on button if you wanted to make a design kind of like this one right here. Where did it go? Like something like this. Now I tried to make this design in ideogram. I typed in green on button with text saying OMAD Warrior, but did not really make what I was looking for. So maybe I need to switch up the prompt because again, that's not really what I was looking for. I was looking for more something kind of like this right here, an on button, so I could make something like this right here. But that's the second niche that I have for you. It's intermittent fasting, and there's a whole bunch of sub niches, as you can see, like OMAD and autophagy. And the third low competition evergreen niche that I have for you is this phrase right here that says, I enjoy romantic walks through the meat department. There's only 78 results for this. There's in the third page, but if I go to the second page, we're going to see there's still only 78 results. And the way that I found this one is that I was actually searching for the carnivore diet because I've been seeing that a lot in my TikTok feed. So I popped that into Amazon and I started seeing a lot of these designs right here. I enjoy romantic walks through the meat department. Here we're going to see what some of the designs look like. And a lot of them are selling with reviews and BSRs. This one has a 419,100,000 BSR in the climate pledge friendly category. Here's some other ones as well. Pretty much all of them have BSRs except for this one right here. Again, BSRs, third row, fourth row BSRs. So it looks like this niche is actually selling pretty well. Like this one, 155,000 in the climate pledge friendly category. So this could be a good one because it's very low in competition. It's an evergreen. If we go to Etsy, let's see what we have for Etsy. So 951 results. I don't know if it's trademarked, so you would have to check, but usually a long phrase like this, I'd highly doubt it, but always do your research. If we go to Redbubble, we're going to see only 6 results. Let's see what TeePublic has. Oh, one thing that I also noticed with, I think it might have been, you can also use this for other niches as well. So like right here, I saw I enjoy romantic walks through the hardware store. So it doesn't have to be the meat department. You can get creative and think of other like places where men would like to walk or where this would be funny. It's like hardware store, for example. This one, I enjoy romantic walks to the taco truck. So you can see how you can switch it up. What did TeePublic have? That one's kind of weird. To the scrimmage line. Anyways, if we go to Creative Fabrica, I actually found one that comes with the print-on-demand special license. And I even tried to design this on ideogram. But the only thing is that when you have a long phrase like this is the prompt I use, a piece of raw steak with the text saying, I enjoy romantic walks through the meat department. When you have long text like this, it's highly doubtful that it's going to, get it spelled out all correctly. You want to use like 2-3 words max. I've noticed usually is the best. But I thought the clip art was really good, and you can actually just download it, take the clip art or the design, pop it into Photoshop, like I've been saying, delete the text, and just add in your own text and just kind of use ideogram for the clip art. If you don't have a subscription with Creative Fabrica, or you don't have a place to get clip art, you can use ideogram. So that's the third niche that I have for you, and it is this one right here. I enjoy romantic walks through the meat department. And the fourth low competition evergreen niche that I have for you for merch by Amazon is going to be half natty. The reason that this popped up on my TikTok feed is because this has to do with like workout, working out in the gym. So workout videos. Basically someone that is natty is someone that is natural. And what half natty means is that basically they have been working out for a long time. They have a good physique, but they're not on steroids, but people assume they're on steroids because they have a good physique, but they're not. They're natural. But because they have a good physique, they are called half natty. So that's where the word comes from. But there's only 18 results for this keyword. There isn't a third page, so I can't show you. But if we check out some of the designs, we're going to see that it's pretty easy to design for. Like half natty right here, 647. This one right here, half natty, 593 in the climate pledge friendly category. I identify as well here. You want to go with half natty. Half natty right here, super easy to design for. Look at this. Half natty, so really low in competition. Now I did want to check the trademark on this one because I had a feeling it would be trademarked, but I was not able to find anything. So right here, half natty in the 025 class or category. I'm not seeing anything pop up. I even checked right here by clicking Control F to see if anything will pop up in yellow, but I'm not seeing anything, so it looks like it should be safe, but just always do your research. Competition on Etsy, only 846 results. Competition on Redbubble, only 118 results. TeePublic, looks like 3 results, and there's some mature. Let's see what that one is. Oh, it doesn't want to show it. If we go to Creative Fabric, I wasn't able to find any designs, but you can get some clip art, some like some barbells, some dumbbells. I thought this could be a good one right here, and here are what the designs look like that I made on Ideogram using the prompt barbell with text saying half natty. I think this one right here is pretty good. You can see that when you just use like 2 words, it's gonna spell it a lot better. I mean, it did spell this one wrong, but all the 3 of them are actually spelled right. So that is the 4th niche that I have for you. Evergreen niche, low in competition, and it is half natty. And then the 5th evergreen niche I have for you guys is social media manager. So this has become a new popular profession or career over the past 2 or 3 years. So it's still pretty low in competition. We're going to see for this keyword, there's only 176 results. If we go to the 3rd page, we're going to see there's still only 176 results. Here are what some of the designs look like. We're going to see a lot of BSRs. This one right here, 266. 100,000 in the climate pledge friendly category. Here's some other ones as well. Social media manager, just inside of a heart. I would probably do something like this, the one that was the definition. So right here, but I would probably change the definition. I mean, you could do this like a cooler manager, like a normal manager, but only cooler. I would do something more like, I forget what the actual saying is, like, well, I'm having a brain fart, but it'll come back to me. I think I saw it right over here on Redbubble. Maybe it's kind of something like this. Or, oh yeah, it's someone who solves problems you didn't know exist in ways you don't understand. So that's how I would do it for this one right here, but you can just do that style if you like. But it's low in competition, and it is selling. Competition on Etsy. Now the majority of the stuff on Etsy is going to be for like digital downloads, so I didn't really see too many shirts except for like this one right here and this one right here. So it could be a good opportunity on Etsy. You know, there's only 1,300 results and most of them are all digital downloads. Let's see what Redbubble has for us, 285, and you get some ideas here. So like World's okay as social media manager, you can do something like that. I'm a proud social media manager. Here's another one of those definitions. So you can get some ideas here from Redbubble. If we go to TeePublic, we can see what the designs look like. And I wasn't really able to find anything on Creative Fabrica except for this one right here, but that's for Christmas. And I wasn't really able to come up with the design on Ideogram. So you're probably going to have to design for this one yourself, just using text or just being creative and using your own creativity. But that's the 5th low competition evergreen niche that I have for you, and it is social media manager. And then the last evergreen, low competition evergreen niche I have for you is this one right here, this phrase that's dog in me. So that is from like people in sports that play American sports. So you're going to hear a lot of athletes, you know, people on sports shows saying that, oh, that guy, you know, he's got that dog in him, or they'll say that about themselves. I got that dog in me. Basically, they're saying that they're just like a really badass athlete. You know, they play with a lot of tenacity. They're just really good. They're, you know, a level above the other competition. Now, this one I saved for the end because it was kind of the most competitive one out of all the 6. So there's 800 results, but it's still under 1,000 results. If we go to the 3rd page, we're going to see that it's still at 800. I did do, actually, let's go ahead and just take a look at the designs in the BSRs. So we're going to see that these are some, and a lot of them are kind of funny. They have these like x-rays with like the dogs in them and say, I got that dog in me. So I thought that was pretty funny. A lot of them are doing it like that, like you can see all right here. Me personally, I would probably do something like this with a hot dog, got that dog in me. Right here we're going to see saying at 1.9 million. But I didn't see anything trademarked for this. But again, always do your research. Etsy, 1,300 results. Redbubble, sitting at 269 results. Now, I think this got kind of famous because someone did a t-shirt like this on social media with the Costco sign. So right here you can see Kirkland. So don't do something like this where you have the Costco sign. You know, you want to do something more kind of like this right here or this right here. But competition is low on Redbubble. Same with TeePublic. Like, don't do this right here. Do something more like that. Let's see, Creative Fabrica. I don't know if I was able to find anything with this phrase. I got that, no, just basically a bunch of kind of random designs. Now, I did go to Ideogram, and these are what I came up with. I thought this one was good, but again, they're spelling it wrong because there's too many words. I like this one too, but they just do in twice. So I'd probably take this one and then just delete the in right here. But that is going to be the 6th and final low competition evergreen niche I have for you. And it is I Got That Dog in Me. So that's going to be the video for today. If you like this content, make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you want to sign up for Creative Fabrica, I do have an affiliate link in my description. So you just go to any one of my videos, click on the description, and the third link right here is for Creative Fabrica. It is an affiliate link, so if you do sign up using my link, I do get a small commission, but me personally, I highly recommend Creative Fabrica. I've been using it for a while. It's one of the reasons why I've been getting good success like this, because I got good designs. You just have to make sure that they come with the special license, the POD special license. And also I have a couple courses as well for Merch by Amazon and Redbubble. These courses on Udemy, they're only 20 bucks a pop. They're good for beginners or for people that are struggling to get sales, and I will teach you how I get sales like this on a daily basis. I'm not the best Merch by Amazon seller, but you know, I do about $1,000 a month. Last month was Q4, but I did 2,000. And one thing that I thought that was interesting, you know, for December I did 1,000 sales. I'm on pace to do not more royalties, but almost more sales. You know, I mean, it's the 17th today, so almost 1,200 sales is what I'm on pace for. That'd be kind of cool if I could get more sales in January than in December. But anyways, that's going to be it for the video today. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Adios.